What is up, YouTube? Are you ready for the craziest bonus I have ever offered? I'm not saying that. That's not hyperbole. That's reality. This is the craziest bonus I have ever offered. If so, stay with me. I'm going to tell you all about it. It's coming right up in my review of the profit code. Before we get to that, my name is Eric Hammer. I am known as the man with a hat. And that's because I wear a fedora pretty much everywhere that I go. I am one of the very few people who can pull successfully. Well, me and my buddy Neil over here. Now, if you are new to the channel, by the way, if you're not new, you know the drill. Feel free to skip ahead. I know that my jokes can be as stale as well. Last week's potato knishes. It's a Jewish, actually New York delicacy. If you're ever here in New York City, get yourself a good potato knish, especially the Gabilas potato knishes. It's from an Italian family that's been doing it for like 100 years or something. It's still family owned and they're amazing stuff, but make sure you get them fresh because you get them stale and old, they're really disgusting. But anyway, but seriously, if you are new to the channel, what I do here is two things. I review software and info products and the make money online niche. And why would I do such a thing, you might ask? Well, it's actually very, very simple. It's to make sure that you don't end up buying much of crap.
What a load of crappy crap.
Bye, boy.
Okay, Bart, really, it's enough, okay? The guy does it all the time. It's so irritating. Yakety, yakety, yakety with the crap thing. It's enough, Bart. Anyway, if you are new, the way things work here, if I like a product, I will give a tip my hat to the product creator. If I don't, well, better luck next time. My cat likes to get into my videos also sometimes because she has her opinions about my videos, and about these products. Also, she wants to say whether or not it's good. She's going to give it tails up or tails down if she thinks it's not good. But anyway, seriously, if you are new to the channel, I also do a lot of videos here involving mindset and entrepreneurship.
Yes, he's an entrepreneur. He's very successful.
Well, thank you so much, Liz. I mean, you see, Liz is a sweetheart. You know, I love Liz. Anyhow, but seriously, if you are new, make sure you smash that subscribe button, hit the bell icon to be notified when I drop new videos, because frankly, subscribe doesn't mean much here on YouTube anymore. Make sure that you like this video, comment down below. Let's get right into this. Okay, so we are looking right now. This is the sales page for the profit code. This is a new course from my mentor, Bill Hugel, and one of his students who actually took his course the same time I did, Will Weatherly. Now, Bill is what in New York we would call a mensch. He is one of the kindest, most decent people I know in this industry. And that's, you know, that's really something because a lot of people in this industry unfortunately treat their customers like an ATM. And Bill really goes the extra mile. And I've always tried to model myself after Bill because Bill has really been one of the lights in this industry, the person that I really feel like, you know, this is somebody you can rely on. And if Bill is putting something together, you know that's something good. And so I'm really, really excited that Bill is back. He hasn't done a launch in over a year now, but he's back now with this course. And in order to make sure this thing is a huge success for him, I am going all out. So basically, here's the deal. Pick up this course. And by the way, let me show you how much this thing goes for, okay? $7.95. That's what it's going for, $7.95. Okay, pick it up for $7.95. I'm giving you 120 full-fledged courses that you can sell or give away with full PLR. Okay, and by the way, if you picked up the previous product I was promoting, the crypto launch, these are 120 more courses. They are not the same as the ones that I was giving away previously. So these are 120 that you don't have yet, that you're going to be able to get full PLR to these 120 courses. Pick up any upgrade, and I'm going to give you 30 more courses plus 15,000 articles with full PLR. You can use them for content. You can use them as blog posts. You can even turn them into a course, really and truthfully. Just bundle a bunch of them together, you know, make them into a little presentation, and you've got a course there. Okay, that it's really, really a massive, massive package. Okay, 30 additional courses plus 15,000 articles with full PLR rights on both of those things. So that's going to be another bonus if you pick up any upgrade. And you pick up any 2 upgrades, I'm giving you something I haven't done in over a year because frankly, I just don't have the time for it. Pick up any 2 upgrades and I am going to give you a one-on-one Zoom session with me to discuss your business. That's right. You're going to be able to talk with me one-on-one to have me look over your websites, have me look over your sales pages, help you come up with ideas for a product, whatever it is you need. I'm there for you. I am limiting it to the first 25 people, simply because of the fact that my time is very, very valuable these days. I don't have a whole lot of it, but I am going to give you that. And the reason doing this is because it's Bill Hugel, who I feel I owe a tremendous debt of gratitude to for getting me into this business. And so I really want to help them out. So that's why I'm offering such a ridiculous bonus: 120 full courses with full PLR just for the front end product for $7.95. Pick up any upgrade, you get 15,000 articles plus another 30 courses with full PLR. Pick up any 2 upgrades, you're going to get one-on-one coaching with me. If you prefer, by the way, you can also turn that one-on-one coaching into an interview. That you can use the interview as a bonus that you can sell or give away, whatever you want to do with it. That's fine as well. Just let me know, and we'll work that out for you, and we'll make that happen for you. Okay. So let's go ahead and take a quick look at the members area. You can see over here to a very nice members area. Not a whole lot to see here. It's only a handful of videos, so it's not going to take you a ridiculous amount of time to go through this, but there are some really, really cool methods that I hadn't seen a lot of people talking about. And over here, by the way, there's a few bonuses that come with it. So for example, Explosivo and Holiday Gold Rush. Holiday Gold Rush, I actually paid for Holiday Gold Rush. And it's a really, really good course. Explosivo is also an excellent course. Profit Zenith and the Double Game, I think, are from Will Weatherly, not from Bill. These 2 courses are actually from Bill. And you're going to be able to get access to these courses as well. And again, it's $7.95 for the whole business. And you get 120 full courses from me with full PLR rights. That's just absolutely insane, insane stuff. So let's go ahead and see if I am going to give a tip of my hat to the product creator or not.
You the man.
Yeah, seriously, you demand. This is incredible. Okay, Bill, whenever he puts something out, is always high quality. And as I said, by the way, Bill is and his family are currently sick with COVID, and so I really do want to try to help them out. So that's one of the reasons that I've been doing this, that I'm offering such an insane bonus for you. Grab this one. This one's worth it. You're absolutely going to love it.